Good morning, all. Still sleeping?
Good morning.
A stretching eye? No, not sleepy. Right, okay. Say good morning, teacher. Right,
Good morning,
okay.
teacher.
Then we'll start the lesson. I want you to take this book, the orange color book. Today also we are going to write 3-letter words. So take the orange color book and turn to it sound page. It sound page. It sound page, right?
Oh yeah. Kecil.
Right, there are 4 words, right? We'll read. Now you know how to do the exercises, right? First you need to read the words, then you have to match with the pictures, then you have to draw them, then you have to write the word, right? Likewise, we are going to complete the exercise, right? First one is
Sir.
eater. Shannon, tell me the word. It. Very good. Now, I'm going to give these words to you. One by one, you have to read. Bihansha, the next word. This word, the second one for Bihansha. On your mic, Bihansha, right, it's on. Right, you can read it. Bihansha, I can't hear you, darling. What is the sound? First sound is her. Her. I can't see your mouth also, so I don't know whether you are reading or not. Eater. Right, okay. Her, eater. So what is the word, Bihansha? Louder. Her, eater. South, right? I want to hear your voice. Okay, then Vetun is there. Right, Vetun, on your mic, and read the third word. The third word. Vetun. I can't hear you, darling. No, sorry, because of my phone. Sorry. Eater. Darling, not pen. Not pen. It's spit. E sound is per eater. Spit. Okay, Vetun? Right. Next word, the fourth word for Vetuja. Tell, darling. Very good. Win. Very good, Vetuja. Good boy. Listen this. Now you, the first one again for you.
Sir.
Yes. Very good. Try to read alone like that. Eater. Okay, Malitna. This one. The second one for Malitna. Okay. Hasitna, the third one. Hit. Okay, at once they read. Right, very good. No need sounds. At once you can read. Good girls. Right. Okay, now we'll match the pictures. Okay, now off the mic. I'll off. Now, Here, Sir, eater, sit. You read the word sit. What is the picture here? Sit. You sit on the chair, right? So there is a picture shows sit. It's an action verb. You say sit, do it, right? Sit. Where is sit? Here the chair is here and he is going to sit on the chair. So draw a line to the picture. Sit. Now next one you said hit. What is hit? Giving a shot, right? It can be to a ball, can be to a person, right? Can to an animal, right? Everything that's hit, giving a shot. The first picture, look at the first picture. This boy is hitting a ball. So that is hit, right? So you can draw a line to this picture, hit. Okay, right. The next one is pit. As you said, now you read the words. This is pit. Pit, what is pit? What is pit? Pit කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? It's a hole, right? Here on the ground. I show you this picture. That's easy for me here. On the ground, there is a hole. We call such holes a pit. Right? Walak. Here, this is the picture pit. So you can draw a line from here to here. The next one is win. Win. You know what is win? Right? Yes, right? When we have competitions, when we do games, right? We can win. We can win the game. We can win the competition, right? Okay. Likewise, when you win the game, what do you get? You get a shield, you get a cup, right? So here is the picture. This girl already win something. I think I will say the girl has won a game. So win here. Draw a line to the picture win.
Oh, it's there.
Sorry, darling. Mali.
Oh, it's there.
Yeah, yes, the win is there, right? This girl, right here, the girl is with the cup, with a shield.
Wait, take on that.
Right, darling. It is not there. Yes, yes. Here, these three it. This one is in. That's why you are saying, no? Right. This is win. Right. It's okay, darling. It's okay. All these three it. This is win. Very good. Very good. Right. So draw a line up to here. Right? Okay. Right. Good girl. Right. Now, the previous page. The previous page. We are going to draw here. This page. It. Right? Yes, I'll leave this also. Right. Now we are going to draw pictures and we are going to write the words. Listen carefully, children. When you write the words, you need to write nicely. Most of you are writing nicely now. The tall letters are tall, the small letters are small. Now most of you are writing nicely. I'm really happy. But still, few are writing wrong letters, right? The sizes of the letters are wrong. So concern on that. Right. Draw this picture. Draw it. The previous page, right? Go to the previous page and draw this picture. The first one is here. It's a pit. Right? We'll write later. First draw the pictures. Right. I think finish drawing. The next one is hit. You can draw a boy with a bat holding like this and a ball. That is hit. Right? The third, only 3 pictures are there to draw. The chair and a girl. Chair and a girl who is getting ready to sit. Right. Now those who have finished drawing can write the words also. We'll see how to write the words. The first one is feet. First one is feet. Here. Per has a tail letter go up. Per. Eat. Per eater. Feet. Okay, Sasitna, very good. Finish writing all? Wait, want to see your one. Very good. You have done all 3. Very good, Malitna. Good girl. Right. The others still writing, so we'll wait. Next one is hit. Hit. Her is a tall letter. Right? So it should be tall. E is a small letter. T again tall. Her, t, they are tall. E is a small letter. Very good, Sasitna. Good girl, have completed. Very good, right? Good, right. Others still drawing, some are drawing still, some are writing the names, right? The last one is sit. Sir, eater, sit. Sir is a small letter. E is a small letter. T is a tall letter. Right? Once you have finished writing all 3 words, raise your hand. Ah, there is Hindi. Completed. Now we are very good. Wow, Vetun. Wait, I want to check. Very good, Resindi. Good girl. Beautiful. Vetun. Vetun, I didn't see your one, darling. Can you show me it again? Can you show the book me again, darling? Good. Very good. Good boy. Good boy. Nice. Very good. Now you are really good, right? You all have improved. You can do your work very soon. Vetuja also done. Wait, Vetuja, your one. Wow, very nice. Beautiful. Good boy. Good boy. Bihansha, yes. I can't see it, darling. It's too low. Right. Very nice. Beautiful, Bihansha. Very good. Very good. All are really good. And see, now you are doing your work very quickly. Right? That is because now you are big. Right? Now you are getting ready to go to the big school, right? Want to go to a big school? Yes. Shenon is shaking her head. Yes, Shenon wants. Right. Okay. Now, I'll tell you, now all have finished, right? You can color it later. Can you take this book? The red color big book. The red color, yes, keep the orange color book aside, right? Keep the orange color book aside. Take the red color book. Yes, Bihansha, that's one. Right. Vetuja, are you coloring the pictures, darling? Color it later, Buddha. Right. Okay. Now, this page. What's this? Here. Now, I asked you to complete up to this. Can you remember the simple capitals? I asked you to complete. So you have done, I think. Some of y'all have sent me the pictures of the simple and capitals. Y'all match them if you haven't done. Right? Now turn to this page. Right? Now listen carefully. I'll tell you how to find the first letter. Right here, pictures are given here, 5 pictures, and the other side also there are 5, 5, 5, all together 10 pictures are given here, right? And 5 sounds. Now you are going to find the first sound of the picture. We'll go to the first one. What is this? What is this? Lorry. What is this? Lorry. Then when you say lorry, what is the first sound you hear? Lorry. Le. What is the first sound? Le. Likewise, you have to find the first sound. Le. Now you can find le here. Le is there. Here, this is le. Take your pencil and draw a line to the le. Right. Okay. And here, who is this? Who is this? The second one. Snail. Snail. Now when I say snail, what's the first sound you hear? Snail. Sir. Then where is sir? Find sir and draw a line to sir. To find the first letter, you need to read the word, right? You read and see what you hear first. Okay, right. Then who is this? Who is this? Pig. Pig. This is pig. What do you hear? Pig. What do you hear?
Pig.
When I say pig, what is the first sound you hear? Pig. P. P. Pig. P. Find per and match. Find per pig. Right. Okay. Then who is this? Bird. Bird. When I say bird, what do you hear? Bird. What do you hear? First, b. B. You hear? B. Right. Then draw a line to b. B. Okay. What is the last picture? What is the last picture? This one? Goat. 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 What do you hear? When I say goat. Goat. G sound. Very good. Then find g. Then find g. Right. Now here there are more pictures that is for you to match. I'm not going to tell you anything. Here there are more 5 pictures. Here star, penguin, banana, grapes and lion. Right? You find the first letter from this lot. You need to find. You're the one who is going to do alone. Not me. Don't ask from mommy. Do it alone and send me a picture.